Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Queen Mommy, and today we're going to be playing with Disney Frozen Play-Doh Olaf sleigh ride. Let's have some fun. Let's open it up to see what we've got inside. It comes with 5 little tubs of Play-Doh in the colors of white, green, blue, brown, and light pink. Olaf's head has 3 little holes on top so you can make his hair. On one side of the sleigh, there's spots to make a tree, 2 snowflakes, and a lantern. On the other side, there's 3 little spots to make 3 more cute little things. On the back of the sleigh, there's Elsa's castle and a troll. You push Olaf's head down, he presses his hands together to make a snowflake and Sven. Alright guys, now for the fun part. Let's take some brown and make Sven first. Didn't come out the greatest, but he still is super cool. Didn't fully imprint on both sides, but that's okay. Let's take off the Olaf attachments and we'll put on the snowflake attachments to make a snowflake. We'll add some blue Play-Doh in there and hopefully this one turns out okay. Here goes nothing. Oh gosh, just like Sven, this one didn't really imprint well, now did it? Let's try it again, but this time we'll add a little bit more Play-Doh. Let's give it a good old squeeze to help it out. Ah, it fell out! Think this one came out any better? Still don't see a very good imprint now, do we? Now let's try making some of the cute little things on the side. We've got a cute little Christmas tree, 2 snowflakes, and a lantern. First, let's make a green tree. Let's see what happens. Ah, what happened? That doesn't look like a tree. Let's try one more time. Hopefully we can get a good tree this time. Now would you look at that? What a cute, small, perfect little tree. Let's put this little tree off to the side and we'll try making some snowflakes. I think I'll make some blue snowflakes to see how they turn out. Pretty impressive. It's so detailed. It looks so great. Let's try the other one. Hopefully this one turns out just as good. Would you look at that? It is so perfect, so tiny and cute. All right, let's move on to the other side of the sled. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, I know, let's make some carrots for Sven. I'll grab the light pink Play-Doh and some green Play-Doh to make the carrots. I'm gonna make these for Sven. I think he's getting a little bit hungry. I hope they came out really good because I hear Sven's belly grumbling. Wow, they came out perfect. Well, maybe perfect enough for Sven, because I know he's really hungry by now. Here, Sven, eat up.
Nom 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 nom. Oh, that's good. Nom 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 nom.
Now let's try the little roller at the bottom of the sleigh. I'm gonna mix a little bit of white and blue Play-Doh together, and hopefully we get a good turnout, some good impressions with this little roller. Mix, 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 mix. Okay guys, here we go. Let's flatten it out, and we're gonna put it down on the table so we can roll right over it. Going super slow so that it can make really good imprints in the Play-Doh.